Hello students, in our previous video I explained you the biography of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now today I give you the summary and explanation of that lesson whose name is what is culture. Now this lesson is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and he tries to prove into the real meaning of culture. Nations, individuals and groups talk about understanding one another and learning from one another. But the people who know one another most quarrel most. It means knowledge does not lead to greater cooperation. The Germans spread their culture through conquest. In fact, every country has a peculiar idea of culture. Now culture varies from nation to nation. It is impossible to find a culture that is pure and unaffected. Culture is affected by geography, climate, location and soil. It develops with the broad-mindedness of people. Some great religions have caused damage to their culture by making the mind of man static and dogmatic. Culture means inner growth in the man. It is also mean one's conduct towards other. Those who lack these qualities lack wisdom and knowledge. They harm their culture. Now in scientific approaches to life and ability to imbibe the truth, wherever it is found strengthens the idea of culture. With the help of scientific culture, we can solve many internal and global problems. Every country has the conviction of superiority. The nations of the East are strongly affected by this idea of superiority. They have got jolts and have been exploited. This setback brought a sense of realism in them. Now again the idea of nationalism limits life and isolates the people of our country from other countries. International dangers are caused by aggressive nationalism. Now we should develop a friendly approach in understanding others. We should always be ready to accept what is good. So here in this chapter, Pandit Nehru explained us in this essay ki what is the real culture and how we find it. The main motive of culture to develop the nation or to give the new ideas of what is good, and it should always be ready to accept what is good. So students, you have to read this lesson and try to understand it once again. Thank you.